Where do I begin? Tell the story of how great love can be. The sweet love story that is older than you say. The simple truth about the love she raised to me. Where do I start? With her first hello, she gave new meaning to this empty world of mine. It'll never be another love, another time. She came into my life and made living fine. She fills my heart. She fills my heart with very special things, with angel songs, with wild imaginings. She fills my soul with so much love that everywhere I go, I'm never lonely with my love. Or could be lonely, I wish for her and it's always there. How long does it last? Can love be measured by the hours in a day? I have no answer now, but this much I can say. I know I'll let her till the stars will burn away, and she'll be there. How long does it last? Can love be measured by the hours in a day? I have no answers now, but this much I can say. I know I'll need her till the stars all burn away, and she'll be there.
Is pwede sana